I'm
This
good.
call is now being recorded.
Nice.
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 I have only
Yes,
checked
ma'am.
the two papers and I am a little disappointed. पेपर तो नाइस होता है ये क्वेश्चन पेपर आंसर्स के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है The paragraph of set A. I have checked only a few copies of set A now, and I should tell you that yes, in the paragraph I think no one scored more than 4 marks out of 8.
मैम व्हाट इज पैराग्राफ में कौन सा वाला था?
Again, you speak in English, na Damini. The unseen passage,
Ma'am, which one?
set A1.
मैम व्हाट वाज द
It was about some Dr. Johnson.
Yes, ma'am.
If anyone of you, those who have the question paper near you, you take 1 minute and just quickly bring the question paper and on your cameras. Got it?
मैम 1 मिनट.
Hmm.
यस मैम.
Ma'am, got it.
Okay, just on your cameras, even if you're not wearing your school uniform. Okay, read the first question, Archie.
मैम R1 से सेट B.
Yes,
No,
ma'am. Ma'am,
I'm
I
talking about
said,
set A now.
I got set B.
I'm talking about only set A now. Yes, Archie, yours was set B.
My one
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also set B.
Whose was set A? I think it was Srishti, Romisha, Harish. All these people got set A.
Yes.
मैम हरीश got set B.
Harish, are you there?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, he got set A. Yes, ma'am.
मैंने चेक किया था मैंने कैसे बता
Yes
सकती
मैम
कि
set A. मैम कंफ्यूजन हो गया.
तो मत बोलना इसलिए तो कहते keep your mouth shut, you talk too much. Yes, Srishti, read the first question of the passage.
Yes, ma'am. It can be inferred from the passage that Dr. Johnson, A, wrote many biographies, B, wrote his own autobiography, C, was against writing his autobiography, D, did not want the author to write about him.
Yes. And what is the meaning of inferred?
हम
Anyone?
पता लगाया जाता है.
Yes, it resulted in. Inferred means inference. Do you know the meaning of inference? Do you use this in science, in labs and all? The inference
No, ma'am.
and conclusion.
Ma'am, we use the word result.
तो वो बहुत ही हल्का वर्ड है ना. इन्फर होता है कंक्लूड, मतलब वही कंक्लूजन कि किसी चीज के नतीजे पे आना. आफ्टर द रीजनिंग एंड एविडेंस एंड ऑल, आप किस चीज के नतीजे पे आए. Okay, so inferred in the it can be inferred from the passage that Dr. Johnson. Can anyone tell me the answer? The answer is A. Wrote many biographies. And I think many of you are going to get very less marks this time. I just went through a few of the girls, but that mistake has been done with by many of the students. Kinjal Sahu, Ekta, Monica, सबने एक टाइप की गलती. I mean, I'm just naming because I have just checked their copy. अभी तो 3/4 of the copies are left. You know what you have done? Even the numbering, the question answers, which short answers you have. Fifth question, I think it was the fifth question. And instead of that Roman letter 1, 2, you should see what is written in the question paper. Usko match करके तुम लिखते हो ना answer. But you people have just put 5, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. उसका subdivision 1, 2, 3 कैसे हो सकता है fifth question का? See in the question paper, what is it? I'm talking about set A.
Ma'am, there are
It's
4 questions.
There are 4
We
questions
write
that you
only
have to answer. But question number लिखा है 5, जो main वाला है 5 का 1, 5 का 2, which 2? Number 2. So that's wrong ना? आप अगर next year board में जा रहे हो, if you write the wrong question number, ठीक है, main आपने 5 ठीक लिखा, मगर 5 का लिखने के बाद रोमन लेटर आना है ना, जो printed है question paper में, exactly that you're going to write.
मैम रोमन लेटर थोड़ी ना है, 5 के बाद 1 2 3 4 है.
Ma'am, the answer comes.
It's 1 2 3.
Yes ma'am.
1 second. Okay. Oh, I didn't see that. I thought it was like my paper. Sorry. Okay. And I think in set B it is not like that. No, it is A, B, C, D.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ABCD.
Okay, then here I'm sorry. I have encircled in these girls' paper, not knowing that the question paper itself had like this. Anyway, and one of the girls has even written all the 4 questions, answers. And ऐसे केस में आपको पता होना चाहिए कि only first 3 will be taken and her third question was 0. It was totally wrong. जबकि fourth वाला ठीक था, उसमें 1 मार्क मिल जाता, but नहीं मिला. So you should always understand it that first question तो ढंग से पढ़ो, and then okay, first let me just discuss the question answers of this one. Second one, Srishti, read the second question.
Yes, ma'am.
What was?
What was Dr. Johnson's opinion on autobiographies? A. Anyone's life can be best written by the person himself or herself. B. Anyone's life can be written by the person who knows him closely. C. An autobiography is the best and most comprehensive form of biography. D. Both A and C.
And what is the answer?
A.
A.
No, it is D. जिन बच्चों ने तुक्का लगाया ना, some children I was surprised that otherwise they're very weak in English, उनका तुक्का सही लग गया कुछ लोगों का. I think Harish also has got it wrong and Srishti also, isn't it, Harish?
Yes ma'am. D option देखा ही नहीं.
Then that actually what is happening now? This happening
was
with most
actually confusing.
Yes, and remember such type of paragraphs will be coming as you get in the senior classes, and you're giving the exam offline after a very long time. I think after the month of March, if I'm not mistaken. And last year exams were in February,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it?
Ma'am, nearly 1 year.
Almost 1 year. I could see the handwriting also कि हाथ चल ही नहीं रहा जैसे बच्चों का. Especially Harsh. Harsh, are you there? Harsh is not there. Okay, whoever is his friend, I think Karthik is his friend. You just inform him. उसको A लिखना नहीं आ रहा है. वो कैसे सांप बनाता है A की जगह. And वो और better हो गया है. I would say the snake has got even, it's got turned even more during this time after 1 year. So I was very surprised to see his handwriting कि ये है क्या? Alphabet A की जगह snake ऐसे, बस like this. ये style नहीं चलेगा यहाँ पर. You have to come back to what you were in 8th standard. I mean, in the way you used to have the habit of writing fast. And you also know that you have taken advantage of even the teachers, parents, everyone. माना कि आपको ऑनलाइन अब ऑफिशियली हमने दे दिया है मोबाइल्स एंड ऑल दैट, बट इट इज नॉट एंड यू आर टेकिंग एडवांटेज ऑफ इट, बट यू आर लूजिंग ऑन समथिंग. रिमेंबर दैट. अगर आप वो अपना टाइम वहां लगा रहे हो तो किसी और अच्छी चीज का लॉस हो रहा है. Even I could see Harish's handwriting also, but it's gone very bad indeed. Okay, now the third one, Romisha, read the third and fourth one.
I'm not having the question.
Okay, who's having the set B? Sorry, set A paper, other than Srishti? Harish, are you having it?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the third question.
What method of writing Dr. Johnson's biography did the author adopt to make his readers better acquainted with him? Option A, the method of narrating Dr. Johnson's life with his letters or conversations. Option B, the method of chronologically narrating Dr. Johnson's life along with his own minutes, letters, or conversations. Option C, by interacting with his other friends. Option D, none of the above.
Yes, and what is the answer?
Option B.
Yes,
Option B.
option B, and most of you had it right. Okay, I haven't completed this set A, but till now most of you had it right. Okay, next also Harish, read fourth one.
What does the author seem most proud of, as mentioned in the passage? Option A, his thoroughness in obtaining the biographical materials. Option B, the method of narrating Dr. Johnson's life with his letters or conversations. Option C, he knew him more than his other friends. Option D, he has written the best and most comprehensive form of biography.
And what is the answer?
B.
A. His thoroughness in obtaining the biographical materials. Okay, now anyone else other than Harish and Srishti who has the paper? Kinjal Baharel, I think you also got set A. I've checked your paper. Kinjal? Do you have the question paper in front of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Read the fifth one. Dr. Johnson would probably have agreed.
Ma'am, my set was different.
Yours wasn't set A?
Yes, ma'am.
फिर ये चेक कर लिया है सेट ए तुम्हारा पेपर घर आके सब many spelling mistakes and I can't believe it's your handwriting also. And most of the children had done one common mistake कि question ध्यान से नहीं पढ़ा. Be it the diary entry, be it that Prashant's question. And diary entry is so easy, I would say, of set A that you just have to write your dream and how it's going to fulfill. दो चीजें पूछी हैं कि क्या आपका ड्रीम है. First you tell that I want to become so and so. And then how are you going to achieve it? Achieve होता है क्या क्या करोगे उसकी तरफ उस ड्रीम को पूरा करने के लिए. What many of them have done, they have praised about Santosh Yadav and उसने ये किया हमारे determination strong होनी चाहिए ये है वो ठीक है भाई determination strong होनी चाहिए मगर अपना dream तो बताओ पहले. इतना easy, you could have easily got 4.5 marks out of 5. And just because you have not written about your dream and how you will achieve it, दो main point है बस उसमें. लिखा ही नहीं उसके बारे में. अब मैं मार्क्स कहाँ से दूं? कुछ भी आप लोग फेंकते हो. I should say it. मतलब literally. Yes.
Ma'am, if we had written some part about Santosh Yadav and some about the dream, then it will.
Why did they ask you to praise Santosh Yadav? Read the question, Srishti, once again of diary entry. Loud and clear.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. You read the story and got it off and realize that a person can achieve great goals with a strong willpower and hard work. Write a page of diary in about 100 to 120 words talking about your big dream in life and what do you think how you can achieve it.
So that was just a reference about Santosh Yadav. In 100 to 120 words, already the word limit is very less. It's come down. तो उसका मतलब crisp होना चाहिए. Crisp means to the point. So one small paragraph about your dream, that also hardly 2-3 lines, maybe 2 lines, and 4-5 lines about how you will achieve it. Surprisingly, one girl, I don't know, I think it's Monica or Unnati, मुझे ध्यान नहीं है नाम. that person has written, I want to become a doctor of animals, though it should have been a veterinary doctor, and what she will do. And Dhruv Jain has written to the point, surprisingly, very nice. He wrote that I want to clear the UPSC exam and this and that. अच्छे से उसने लिखा है. That means he understood the question. संतोष यादव की तारीफ थोड़ा ना लिखने को कहा है उस क्वेश्चन में. रेफरेंस है, उन्होंने एक चैप्टर को लेके बोला है. जैसे संतोष यादव कुछ बनना चाहती थी, व्हाट इज योर ड्रीम? संतोष यादव का ड्रीम था माउंटेनियरिंग. नाउ इन योर डायरी एंट्री उससे आप चैप्टर से इंस्पायर हुए. you can write in the beginning, dear diary, I would like to share a very nice experience with you today. Today when ma'am was teaching this so and so chapter of in the class, I got so inspired by this lady that it made me ponder. Like, you have to use such words. Ponder means सोच में वो तुमने सोचा कि what can, it made me ponder that what is exactly my dream. And then I started thinking again and again, and I realized that I want to become so and so. I want to become a dash. And now what I have planned is, I am sharing with you that I have planned that I will clear this exam, or I will do this. If you want to become an athlete, like someone wrote that I want to become a cricketer. Fine. You want to become a cricketer, what will you do for it? You have to be physically fit. I'll join some coaching center, some academy. No one is going to come and check कि आप कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो. But you have to write it na for marks. It was a very nice question. I loved that question of the diary entry. But Harish, and how many cuts have you put in the diary entry? Batao. Kata PT. And I think the latest one, only a few girls have seen it, that the diary entry has to be in the box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I haven't cut the marks yet for that, but next time I'm going to cut marks. And this time this checking is going to be strict. So तैयार रहना घर में डांट खाने के लिए. Okay, I'm just quickly telling you the answers because time is, I have got another class after this. This one. Yes, sixth one. Yes, Kinjal, are you reading it? The word?
Ma'am,
Or Srishti, you read it.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we were on fifth question.
Okay, fifth one. Okay, fifth one.
Dr. Johnson would probably have agreed that a biography tends to overpraise. B, an autobiography is always misleading. C, an autobiographer is the greatest authority on his own life. D, all of the above.
Okay, C. Okay, an autobiographer is the greatest authority of his own life. Okay, tell me the sixth one, Sushri.
Yes, ma'am. The word is a synonym of panegyric used in paragraph 4. A, eulogy, myth. C, portrait.
It is A. ये तो सबने तुक्के लगाए, सबने, all last three तो सबने तुक्के लगाए. जिसका लग गया तो लग गया, because you don't do any extra reading. And seventh one in paragraph 1, the answer is D. Okay, and eighth one, it is C. The answer is C. You can note it down. And now I'm coming to question number 2. Quickly see the answers. First answer is SRQP, the B one. In this also, Srishti, you lost 1 mark. ज़्यादातर पूरी क्लास के full marks आए हैं इसमें.
मैम मेरा ये सही है.
ये वाला नहीं. In this total, I'm saying you lost 1 mark. Second one is B, PQSR. Okay. Then third one, it is C, QRSP. And please, you people exchange your papers also. Set A should see set B question paper. Okay. So Archie, Damini, वगैरह, you can see the paragraph of this. And
Yes, ma'am.
Last one, it is. I'm telling the C one or last one, Srishti?
I'm last one.
Last one, QRSR. sorry, PQRSR. D1, D option. And then you come to the poem. Almost every one of you got full marks. First one is easy. Okay, option C. Second one, it is by hating and killing others. Option B. And third one is option A, equality and brotherhood. Then you have question answers. Question answers be just because you know a little bit about the chapter, तो लिख दो. It's such a easy one कि APJ Abdul Kalam के father के बारे में बताना है. First you tell what was his name and if only one line how he looked like. Then you can write that though he did not have any formal education, he was very progressive and he had a very strong value education. And he was a person not having a lot of wealth, but he was very generous. है ना, क्या हम उनके घर में देखते थे कि मेहमान बहुत आते थे, जबकि इतने वो पैसे वाले नहीं थे, ना नहीं बोलते थे वो किसी को, हमेशा जो आता था उसको अच्छे से खातिर करते थे. So this shows his generosity. Though he was not very wealthy, he was very generous, a very generous person. So you have to write about his good qualities. And then how...
Ma'am, Santosh Yadav is a woman.
What better, Karthik?
Ma'am, Santosh Yadav is a woman.
Who? I'm talking about APJ Abdul Kalam's father.
Santosh.
He was a very practical man. And he had lots of, though he was not educated, but he was a very wise person. So he has a lot of wisdom. And he never ever obstructed in the well-being of his children. मतलब उनको आगे बढ़ाने में वो कभी भी कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ते थे. So what values he passed on also was very good to his children. Okay, and packing, that is a very easy question. Obviously, he was very, he thought that he was the best packer in the whole world. And you can tell briefly that how he has a sense of superior, being very superior to others, that he has the ability of being the best packer in the world. But in the end, it showed in the chapter that he was totally disorganized and he was not at all good in packing. He had to reopen the bag again and again to search for little things. Like this, you can shorten the thing. आगे वाला पार्ट बड़ा करो जो बताना है, but it has to be at least 4 lines ना. And सृष्टि आपने बहुत छोटे लिखे थे, आपको पता है. हम only. And why does it take so much time to kill a tree? So you have to write first of all, how do you kill a tree? Many of them wrote that when you cut a tree, it is killed. No, उसको uproot करते हैं. You have to uproot the tree. मतलब उसके roots पूरे, it has to be exposed in sunlight and air, and only then the tree dies. जो white वाला part है पूरे tree का, the roots white हो जाते हैं. That when it's exposed to sunlight and air, then slowly and slowly it decomposes and it dies. And the tree has deep roots which give birth to tiny twigs and branches, which help the tree attain its stature. For a tree to be killed, the root has to be uprooted and it has to be choked in the sun and air. This process takes much time and it takes a lot of effort. That is why it takes a lot of time to kill a tree. That is the question. Why it takes. आप देखो uproot करके when this Guna highway was made, you have seen that all this was trees, so many trees were uprooted. कितने दिनों तक वो वहां पड़े रहे, उनके इतने बड़े-बड़े जो trees के roots थे. They did not die immediately, ना. It takes so many years to build that tree. So obviously मरने में भी उतना ही time लगेगा उसको. मतलब sense है, ये तो common sense की बात है. And this was about qualities of Santosh Yadav. If you see the question, it's qualities and achievements. So what is quality? आपकी अच्छाई, सारी अच्छी बातें. And achievement, क्या-क्या उसने achieve किया. But many of the children have written about achievement. मगर उसकी qualities equal होना चाहिए ना weightage. 1 mark for this and 1 mark for that. Because you are going to enter into 10th standard, your checking will be strict. Remember that. And Prashant is a good leader. You have to tell how he had helped. One small paragraph you have to write about how Prashant helped in the during the storm. How did he help his village people, all his community? What all did he do? And then come to the second point. If you agree, आप लिख देते हो yes I agree. Yes I agree. थोड़ा ना 1 mark दे देगा आपको. Yes, I agree with like how he behaved with this person. He went out of the way to bring the widows together, how he behaved like a leader over there. All that you have to write in short in that one small paragraph. Then you have to come to the second point. That how young people can play a role. That was a general one. And last one was a very easy one. How art and humanity. Through art, he saved the life of this girl. Isn't it, John C? That whole thing, you have to explain it. So, any other doubt which you people have in the set B?
Ma'am, can you please repeat the answers of the paragraph?
No, beta, it is almost 1:30. I've got another period. Huh? Tum late aao.
Ma'am, set A.
Ma'am,
For
please
set
read
B.
briefly just the
I'll just tell
options.
the options very quickly, bro. Just listen to it and note it down if you want. Only for the paragraph. No? 1 second. Paragraph, first answer is A, second answer is D, third answer is B, fourth one is A, fifth C, sixth A, seventh D, eighth C. Okay? Yes, now set B. Yes, Damini, read the first question.
Where does this story take place? First, in a bakery. Second, at the police station. Third, in...
Just tell the answer, what according to you it is, because hardly 10 minutes are left.
Ma'am, fourth, in
Yes, fourth
Miss
one.
Garvis' apartment.
B, what is the question?
Near the beginning of the story, Miss Garvis' eyes are full of tears. Her hands are shaking. How does Miss Garvis probably feel? She's upset, she's tired, she's hungry, or she's confused.
Don't tell the options, huh? Tell the answer.
She's confused.
No, she's upset. Okay, C. Now C answer is third one. The windows have not been used in months. Okay. D1, the answer is, and the robber certainly did not use the front door, the fourth option. E is option third, second and third. F answer is fourth one, she gives them away. G is first one, Miss Garvis will start baking cakes again. H is something that cannot be explained, the fourth one. Okay. And yes, this was a little more lengthier one. This second one. Archie, tell the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, of jumbled sentence.
Of jumbled sentence. What is the answer?
Ma'am, I done second option.
Second
This young generation has a bright future.
Yes, that is the correct one. Next one also you tell Archie answer.
Third option, the students are motivated a lot.
The students are motivated a lot. Yes. C.
C is
fourth.
Yes, ma'am. They are willing to work tirelessly to achieve their goals.
Yes. Yes. Fourth one.
The sky, they know.
No. Damini, what is the answer?
Ma'am, they know that the sky is the limit for them.
Yes, the first one. They know that the sky is the limit for them. Good. And the third one, answer. Anyone else who has set B? Karthik? No, Karthik ka to ye aaya tha. Ayushi. Okay, Ayushi, read the first. Tell the first answer. Only tell the answer.
First one, A, first earth, B, second air,
Yes.
C, all, fourth.
No, scorching and chopping. First one. Okay. It's written clearly.
Ma'am, but floods can
Ma'am,
also
yes, ma'am.
kill the tree.
बेटा जो पोएम में लिखा है वैसे हमें फॉलो करना है. It's clearly written, na?
अरे यार.
Okay. Now, what was the diary entry was easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I forgot. You saw a girl. That was also okay. Many of them in the diary entry they haven't written the day. You have to write the day also. And Srishti ji, आपने 10 o'clock लिखा शायद. 10 o'clock क्या है? AM है PM है?
Ma'am, PM.
तो अब बोल रही वहां तो नहीं लिखा.
Ma'am, I must have forgotten.
तो marks तो कटे ना in the format. So you should better what's we have to really.
Ma'am, how much marks will be deducted?
I'll just tell you. Format is 1 mark. Imagination and expression 2 marks. Language and content 2 marks.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in paragraph H question, what is a mystery? Ma'am, तो the answer something that is wrong होना चाहिए ना.
Something that cannot be explained.
Ma'am, because in first line, ma'am, it is written that something is very wrong.
नहीं आप पूरा पैराग्राफ पढ़ोगे तो उसका मीनिंग निकालो फिर. ब्लाइंडली अब वो जैसे तुम थर्ड फोर्थ में मतलब करते थे सॉल्व मैच करके स्टॉप दैट अंडरस्टैंड द पैराग्राफ एंड देन आंसर इट. Okay, next you have your question answers. They were also simple, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth one was, what was the sixth question?
How has O. Henry featured friendship in the story The Last Leaf? Write a short paragraph of about 80 to 100 words throwing light on this.
They're almost the same. What was even the set A had this question of last leaf. Okay, what did he do for friendship? Basically, throwing light on the friendship of O. Henry. How has he highlighted? Basically, it is sacrifice for friendship. That is what the chapter highlights, and how that is to be done. You have to put it into your words. Okay, so this it was. Now I'll talk about the listening and speaking assessment, especially only the speaking I'll be telling. You got the dates also. It is on 22nd. So please, all of them have to be present and come prepared. It is Thursday, na?
it's
Right?
Friday.
Oh, it's Friday. Okay. We have it on Friday, then we will be probably doing it roll number wise. And you have seen yesterday we had for class 10th, one will go and one will come, and taking care of the social distancing also. And you have to speak for 3 minutes. Okay. It can be for 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, that's up to you. We will be assessing on what you speak, and then we will ask 2 or 3 questions. Yes, better.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that if ma'am, some topics were common in Nagaland and Manipur both, like crafts topics, bamboo craft. So we have to prepare for Manipur bamboo craft or Nagaland or both.
Any. You can take any state. You just mention it over there. That this of Manipur, this of Nagaland.
No, ma'am. So, ma'am, it's necessary only one, only on both states.
No, you speak only for one state.
Yes, ma'am.
Any one state of your choice. Okay.
Ma'am, it is compulsory to speak for 3 minutes.
वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ नहीं कई लोगों ने कल 1.5 मिनट भी बोला है 2 मिनट भी बोला है उनको मार्क्स भी वैसे मिले बट सम चिल्ड्रन डिड इट वेरी वेल लाइक सौरभ विशिका बहुत अच्छा बोला एंड दे कुड इवन आंसर माय क्वेश्चंस मतलब इट वाज विजिबल कि वो लोग रिसर्च करके आए हैं कि मैं कुछ भी पूछ लूं बीच में उन्होंने अच्छे से आंसर किया एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम वर लाइक ओ वी वांट टू गो टू द स्टेट नाउ दिस इज व्हाट इज द मेन एम ऑफ सीबीएसई कि आपको कल्चरली एंड you have to have a taste of other states कि उनके में ऐसे होता है एक आपको अंदर से जगेगा कि yes we have to go to that state And most of them in the end, they told, ma'am, we want to go to the state whenever possible. In future, I will go to the state. I want to be a part of this festival. Be it that Hornbill Festival or many of them, many. और बहुत अच्छा लगा उनकी ये सब चीजें सीख के, मतलब लग रहा था वो या they have matured class 10th. Last year even they were like you. So we have a little of research over there. Okay, you have today's time, tomorrow's time, the 22nd, almost 1 week you have. So you can memorize it also. बीच बीच में you have other subjects also. I know for art integration. उनका काम करो और जब बोर हो जाओ आके वो याद करो. तो पेपर रेडी रखो अपना टेबल पे. कोई भी टीचर ले इससे क्या मतलब है? आपका अच्छा होना चाहिए and you should be thorough about your topic. Don't get scared. हम खाते मतलब we don't make you tense. We'll make you cool and then we will start it. तो पहली बार है, अच्छी बात है ना. You have to do it till 12th standard. First time तो कोई भी नई चीज करते हैं तो डर लगता ही है. Okay, and you have already chosen your topics. I saw the messages also. So you just introduce yourself, like sir will first ask you, okay, or I don't know who is going to take your assessment. That what's your name? We will ask you. We'll on the recorder and you'll say I'm so and so. What is your topic? You'll say your topic, and then we'll say okay, now tell us something about your topic, and you will start. And when you finish, after finishing, we will ask you 2 or 3 questions based on it. So actually we want to think your thinking process. ना कैसे आप जवाब दे सकते हो on the spot. That is the main criteria. हर चीज memorization पे नहीं होता है. Okay, and some common mistakes that were being done was like children were women's थोड़ा ना होता है plural. Women is already plural. तो that language part में marks जाएंगे फिर, क्योंकि वो बचपन से आदत है तो वो it keeps repeating. So you have to take care of those things. Okay. So anything else? It's time also. Inform the other students also about this. And listening will be comparatively okay. You'll just listen to the track and you will solve a paper. Optional. It is also MCQ type. Okay. Anything else you want to ask?
Same date, no?
No. Listening is on a different. I have sent the message now, Dhruv. You haven't seen it?
Ma'am, I have seen the message of that 22nd only.
2 dates were written, na Damini?
Yes, ma'am. 22 and 24th.
22nd and 24th.
Yes, ma'am.
24th फिर
Ma'am, 25.
25 वही तो मैंने कहा Sunday है वो तो.
Yes, ma'am, 25.
Yes, ma'am. 25.
Okay. 25th, not 25. So you have it on 22nd and 25th. Okay. So by then, and sheets I will not be distributing now. You've got for other subjects?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We are actually doing this listening and assessment of listening and speaking na, for